So someone was asking me how you can create a bootstrap-like button, which is animated using plain CSS. So here is a 1-minute tutorial for you. This is the button, close to what you described. So I'll show you the code. So first is we are going to create an HTML structure, and we shall create this button and give it a class of animated button. And then that's the text which will be in the button, which is hover me. So the body style normally just places the button in the center. As you can see, display flex, justify center, align center, height, and then margin and background color that. So now we style the animated button and give it padding 15 pixels and 30 pixels, which will give the space between the text and the top layer. So the font size is 15, and then the color of the text is white. Then the background color of the button, as you can see, is light blue. Then the border, we remove the border, and then border radius, that is the corners, which is 5 pixels. Then cursor pointer, that is when normally it is hovered on, it changes into a cursor, it looks like a pointer. And then transition, which is that small animation you see on clicking it. So after that animated hover, we can make the background color darker version of the same color and scale it to 1.1. So when you see hover me, it gets darker and there's that little animation. So I hope that answers your question. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.